Speed limit just jumped to 70.
Wow. Wow, is that sunset now? No,
It's
not
getting
yet.
there. It's a ways. Looks like it's about an hour or two.
I'm so full on that food.
You ate a lot of food. I'm kind of full too. That fills you up, that pork stuff. Huh?
Yeah. No, we didn't eat. There's a lot of meat that you don't have time to eat on the pork.
And plus, I don't like the garlic rice too much.
Yeah, it doesn't taste good.
No, I like chicken fried rice with all the vegetables and the egg in there.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna order like you're like 4 hours. Oh my goodness, that's like
we relaxed.
When you're like
I was in the wrong spot.
Ordering and no, just don't. Avis is out on your travel.
Yep, Avis is out.
Especially here in Vegas.
Yes.
That's what, remember, hello MJ.
Or you do the preferred app or something. But no.
What do you mean preferred app?
If you have preferred, whatever, then you go downstairs and just whack it and leave. But we don't rent cars at all. Twice a year.
Oh, the sun is up. Ayan, sobrang taas ng araw. Uy. Ayan. Grabe, ngayon lang naarawan after, ano ba? Oh,
nice and bright and pretty, huh?
Grabe, uy. Nice view, sinabi mo. Yeah, that was nice. That was, oh my goodness. Taas ng araw. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock.
What time is it, 4?
Yeah, 4 p.m. No wonder people likes to live here in Vegas.
In this dry country?
Yeah, see.
Thank God, like Utah.
Hello, Mirasol. Ayan, Mirasol. Walang view. Oh wow, the sun is up. And so dito tayo sa Las Vegas. Palabas ng Las Vegas. Going to California?
Yes, California. Instead of Arizona or Utah.
We're going on the other side. Ay, thank you, Mirasol. Walang time magsali-sali. Busy.